Is the work that you're providing pupils with challenging enough? Are the tasks that they're being asked to do at the right level of challenge? Well, to answer this question, one of the things that we can look at is what's called overlearning. And in order to talk about overlearning, we need to go back to the Bjork and Bjork's work on desirable difficulties. Now, what they talked about in terms of memory traces is that memory has two facets. Storage strength, or how well connected, how rich all of the connections are for each fact or piece of information or content, and also how easy it is to get at, so retrieval strengths. So there are two elements, storage strength and retrieval strength. Now, what overlearning does is it's a task where you've already reached 100% accuracy. So what's the point? What is the point of practicing something that you can already 100% of the time get the accurate answer or be able to complete it with 100% accuracy? What's the point in that? Well, there is a point. And the point is that even though the retrieval strength can't be improved, the storage strength can. Every time you go back to information, you go back to learning, you go back to a skill, each time you're adding a little bit more in terms of all of those connections, a little bit more richness or a little bit more information. You're rethinking it, you're reconceptualizing it, and those pathways, those connections get stronger. So it's a difference between a sheep lane or a sheep track and a multi-lane highway or multiple multi-lane highways. So even beyond the point of 100% accuracy, there is still a point in practicing. So even when learning might look quite easy for pupils, it's still of an advantage to them if it helps that pupil become better connected with that particular piece of learning, that particular memory. So we also know that greater competence, greater automaticity or fluency, which is where retrieval strength comes in and storage strength comes in, increases independence and resilience, because the more confident you are that you're going to get something right, or the more confident you are that you know a lot about it, the more competent and resilient you are as well, and independent your learning can be. If you want to know more about research-informed strategies, then go to our website, impact.wales, or follow us on social media @impactwales.